Hello everyone! Another weekend bike ride for me. Sunday na and wala pa akong exercise, so nag-decide akong mag-bike before workday Monday. Kaya lang hindi pa ako nakakalayo, umulan na. Not a good start siguro, basang-basa ako sa ulan. Medyo mataas din yung heart rate ko, hindi pa naman ako nakakalayo. Pero hindi rin naman nagtagal yung ulan. Pero alam kong hindi maganda yung condition ko, nakasumpong yata yung anxiety ko.
Oh, nice friend.
Pero siyempre, we push forward pa rin. Kaya din naman ako bumalik sa biking, not just to improve my physical health, pati na rin mental health. Parang hindi naman umulan sa loob ng Clark. Makulimlim, oo, pero dry ang daan. And through the course of my bike ride, lumiliwanag din naman. Nabawas din yung anxiety ko after mapagod sa uphill and magpahinga. Na preoccupy ng pain yung worries siguro, and physiologically, mas hinanap siguro ng utak ko ang oxygen. Surprisingly, I find myself feeling better pauwi nang nakakita ako ng maraming puno, mas lumiliwanag ang sky, lumitaw din ang araw, and seeing colors that I associate with something or someone dear to me. Men's Mental Health Awareness Month pala this June. I hope you heal from the things you don't talk about. It's okay not to be okay. Kale Semorin.